There's been a lot of flooding in the East Midlands of late, not least Derby and Nottinghamshire, and here the River Derwent, the fast flowing River Derwent, is a hell of a lot higher than it usually is. Just look at this. Apparently yesterday this wall was underwater. In fact, looking at the local newspaper, there was a photo on yesterday and the water was about, I would say, 30 centimetres, maybe a foot between the archway on the Derwent Bridge. You can see how high it is today. I mean, there's hardly a weir left. It's more or less all flat out. I think the only living species that are not bothered about the floodwater are these fellas down here, who, well, I think they're enjoying a bit of sliced bread. To my right, this is usually a weir. Well, it still is a weir, but It's more or less flat with the surface of the water. That just shows you the extremes of this flooding. You can usually walk underneath this this bridge. Just look at these archways. Unless you got feathers and paddled feet, webbed feet, you've got no chance of getting under that bridge. Let's go and take a look from the top of the bridge. Mind I don't fall on these steps. And as you can see on this side, excuse me, there's some flood barriers in place straight across the main road here. Very, very sturdy. This is usually one of the busiest roads in Derby, one of the main crossings over the Derwent, but as you can see, it's not today.
Hello.
A Sunday morning in Derby. Why the flooding, or as the floods die down. Do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to click the like button, and then you will be notified the next time I load up another video to YouTube. Thank you for watching.